Hi, I'm Holly Heider Chapel, and I'm here at my farm, Hope Flower Farm, today with my friends from Syndicate Sales. I'm going to show you how I use the 6-inch egg to make my bridal bouquets. I start with a greenery. I typically will find one that has an arching stem, and I angle it into the egg. And I use my 4 fingers and thumb to hold it in place. I do an X for a horizontal frame, and the higher up in the egg, the less exaggerated the openness is. I normally put in 5 or so pieces of each type of greenery to get started. This center of the egg, the space is bigger so that you can get a beautiful focal as you develop. Stems you want to cascade out the front of the bouquet usually go in this hole here. Next, I'll use my bigger, more substantial stems. Vine flowers, I want to get those in. Flowers like larkspur, the campanula, the stock, delphinium. We would want to get those in now because those help to create the shape. Now I'm going to do a few of the focal flowers. You know, the other thing too is that a lot of times, I'll go outside of the egg. Once you have your design complete, if you have a few stems that you want to, fit into the bouquet and they're not in the egg, that's okay also. You can I always say you can defy the egg just a little bit. You're using the egg to get the form and the shape that you want. And I would say that almost 99% of the stems are in here, but if I have one really difficult stem and it would actually visually look better behind the whole bouquet, then I will put it, in the back, and it may not actually be in the egg, and that's all right. I would make a point to make sure stems like ranunculus or tulips are in the frame, just because they really appreciate and perform better with the support of the egg. Use a waterproof 1/2-inch tape to bind up my bouquets. And then I go around the perimeter of the bouquet. Typically when I finish, there's not much of the mechanics showing, but I go around the perimeter with with different types of greeneries. This also helps to give the stems a little bit more support. It's good to use a woody stem for that. Pit is great. Pit and camellia are probably my favorite.